Alright, yo, check it out. We got this nice cutting of box honeysuckle, also known as Lonicera nitida or Lonicera nitida. This was started in a test tube full of water. You can tell it was in a test tube full of water because of the way the roots are going straight down like that, in the shape of a small test tube. We're going to start by thinning out some of these branches. We'll take off the ones from the bottom. And then let's do maybe some alternating ones here. We're just going to thin this out quite a bit. And we can shorten these branches as well, because they're going to split like crazy. We're going to get tons of excellent bifurcation from all these branches. We're taking off a lot of branches here. We'll cut the end off. That's really all we need. Let's put a little piece of wire on it, shall we? You want to make sure not to crush any leaves. Let's give it a little bend, shall we? That's going to be pretty cool. This is just straight pumice with a tiny bit of coconut fiber inside. Not too bad. Here's the parent plant that I take a lot of cuttings off of. See little purple berries on there. And here's what the cuttings look like when you just plant them and let them grow wild. Here's another one we did earlier. I think this is going to be the front. It's going to be pretty cool. Here's one that we did a long time ago. Well, maybe only a couple years ago. looking pretty cool. Here's a few bigger ones that we did a few weeks ago. You can see how it's starting to grow back. Look at all those fresh shoots coming from the base. We'll have to prune those off and just keep the growth where we want it. Let's see if we can find another one. A little bit bigger. This is one that we did a few years ago. It's pretty cool. This is a similar technique with a hinoki cypress. Not too bad. Here's a real thin one. Here's a pretty long one. Here's a pretty small one. There's an even smaller one. A little bit taller one. This one we did just a couple weeks ago. You can see it's already starting to grow back. Guess that's it for now.